Welcome to another update from Force 13, where the local tropical weather scene is ramping up, and we start this update with another look at instability, storm probability, supercell probability, including precipitation. Each of these images are 3-hourly periods, and from 7 a.m. through to 10 a.m. Saturday. The Bureau of Meteorology is now on board for Invest 93, 94 and 95. 94 came on the radar overnight. And in my previous update I mentioned the area to the east of Cairns, drawing a line east from the tip of Cape York out towards the Solomon Islands. 95P is located to the east of Holyara, and 94P is about 200 nautical miles northeast of Cooktown. The Bureau of Meteorology, via their tropical cyclone 3-day outlook for the Coral Sea, 2 tropical lows have been analysed along the developing monsoon trough across the northwestern Coral Sea. These systems are expected to consolidate into a significant tropical low offshore from the Peninsula coast over the next 24 hours. Atmospheric conditions currently favourable for development, provided the tropical low remains over water over the weekend and into next week. As a result, the likelihood of the system developing into a tropical cyclone has increased to a moderate for Sunday, and the Bureau has increased it to high on Monday. Here's a look at the upper level divergence, 24-hour shear tendency, wind shear 850 millibar vorticity. There are currently no other significant tropical lows in the eastern region. Bureau of Meteorology, for the Gulf of Carpentaria, tropical low 1003 millibars is currently located over the Timor Sea, and is expected to move southwest over the next couple of days. The risk of development into a tropical cyclone remains low to very low. Now the Himalaya 8 satellite view, it's the Solomon Island. Now we have a look at the Cairns radar. This was recorded early hours of this morning, and that picture is continuing to develop. During Sunday, another tropical low may be located or near the Gulf of Carpentaria, embedded within a developing monsoon trough. The environment is favourable for further development, provided the low remains over water. There is currently a degree of uncertainty whether the tropical low will be located in the Gulf of Carpentaria or in the Coral Sea. For Saturday and Sunday, percentages change from very low to moderate. Bureau of Meteorology Queensland has also updated their flood watch. Here's the Bureau's 12-hourly rainfall in the 24 hours. And the flood watch is for north of Cardwell, including catchments in the Cape York Peninsula. Heavy rainfall is likely along coastal and adjacent inland areas on the North tropical coast, Cape York Peninsula during the next few days. Catchments remain relatively wet following recent rainfall, making river level rises more likely with heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall is expected to affect the North Tropical Coast catchments, Cape York from Saturday onwards as the monsoon trough becomes more active. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. And the increasing list of rivers: Jardine, the Juicy, Jackson, Scarden, Winlock, Amberley, Mission, Watson, Archer, Cohen, Holroyd, Kendall, Coleman, Edward, Mitchell, Staten, Jackie Creek. The others were rivers: Olive, Pasco, Rivers, Leichhardt, Stewart, Nornby, Janine, Endeavour, Daintree, Mosman, Bowen, Mulgrave, Russell, Johnson, Tully and Murray rivers. Now we have a look at various tracks, and we start with 95p. Force 13's Australia Oceania Channel will bring the latest information as soon as possible. Now we have a look at the NOAA floaters. Strong wind warning is currently in place for the Peninsula, Cooktown, Cairns, Townsville. However, Townsville gets deleted and the others remain in place for Saturday. That's the Peninsula, Cooktown and Cairns coast. And various flood warnings remain in place, although the Bureau has finalised the Mulgrave Russell rivers, the Ballon River. Minor flood warning remains in place for the Daintree River and flood warning for the Mosman. Sea surface temperature remains very healthy, 30-31 degrees Celsius. And at this point in time, the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre is yet to come on board. And here's some early tracks for 94p. In our next update, we'll provide information that hasn't been covered in this particular update. And this is water vapor.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13 at extension 9094.